Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another episode of Free Friday. And you know what it is? Free Friday is that particular time of the week where we talk about where you can get free content you can use for your stuff for free. And today we're talking about sounds. And sounds are one of those things, or sound effects are one of those things that you definitely need, especially if you want to tell a compelling story, if you want to use them to give ideas of what's happening either in the background and action or something like that. And today we're taking a look at the sound effects from the BBC sound effects library. And these sounds are actually BBC copyright, which simply means that you can go ahead and use them for personal projects, educational, research purposes. But of course, if you want to use commercial ones, you can always go to the licensed sound effect, where you will find a couple of things that you can actually read through and understand what you need. Now, how much sounds do you have here? You have about 16,000 sounds, which is a whole lot of sounds that you can use. And cool thing is you can also come here and search these sounds by categories. You can play back these sounds to test them before you go ahead and download them. Also within a category, so let's say we go to whistles, also within a category like this, you can also go ahead and type and filter what you want. So let's say I type the word final, for example. If I go ahead and type the word final, then of course we have a final whistle and crowd disperse. So you can use this thing for your project and you can do so many amazing things with this. But for commercial use, of course, you would need to actually come over here where you can read about the commercial things that you need to know, where it includes you paying a certain amount to get license for using these things. But nonetheless, you can still come through and get these things for free. Tell me what you guys think about this. The internet is here. It's Free Friday. Of course, you can get these files for free. Go through, download them, play with them. Tell me what you think. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and also turn on notification. If you want to see more Free Friday stuff, you can check out the playlist where we have amazing content that will be very useful for you. Link is going to be in the description, so you can go ahead and download this thing and use them. And until I see you guys next time with a tutorial update, Free Friday, Tutorial Tuesday, tips and tricks, things like this. Peace.